Hi guys, most of the people get negative 36 for this question in wrong way. Here 12 minus 6 times they do this negative 6. Here 12 minus 6 is 6 times negative 6, which is negative 36. This is wrong. As per the order of operations, PEMDAS, here this is bracket which is first priority. This is multiplication, division and addition and subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority, addition subtractions are equal priority. We have to follow here left to right rule for this. Now we are going to do this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Now, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, we have to do this bracket first. This is higher priority than all others. So, 12 minus 6 times negative, this is 6. Now, we have subtraction and multiplication. Multiplication is higher priority than this subtraction. So, we have to complete this first. So, 12, we have negative and negative, which is positive in multiplication. Now we have to do this 6 times 6 is 36. Now 12 plus 36 is 48 is the correct answer.